Pista ng Pelikula Pilipino since this is your first time to join here?
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Medyo nilalapitan mo na ating mga press, ang ating mga celebrities dito. Kaya naman, thank you so much for spending your afternoon with us. Supportahan po natin ang unang 3 pelikulang pasok sa ikatlong pista ng Pelikula Pilipino at sa celebration ng 100 taon ng Pelikulang Pilipino. Thank you so much and congratulations everyone.
For us actors, it's a great platform also to reach out to a wider audience.
Sige, invite natin sila, supportahan yung Pista ng Pelikulang Pilipino kahit malayo pa. Kahit malayo.
Sa lahat ng mga manonood, supportahan niyo ang Pista ng Pelikulang Pilipino. It's a good platform for Filipino films to
To be shown, of course, nationwide. I believe it will be shown nationwide in over 900 cinemas. So it's a great platform for everyone who loves movies, all families who enjoy and are entertained by films. Also a good platform for the filmmakers and the actors as well. So sana supportahan natin ang Pista ng Pelikulang Pilipino.
Gab, kailan nakakailang shooting days?
Screenshot lang po ako.
down po to our
Screenshot lang kami.
Sorry.
Thank you po.
Sorry po, sorry.
You're down to...
Our last 2 shooting days pa.
So ilang shooting days ba ito?
Nakaka 9 or 10, 11. 9 to 11 shooting.
So anong nauna? Yung pag-amin yung social media o paggawa niyo ng pelikula?
Ano nga ba?
First day namin was
Last year.
December or January?
Kasi nung February lang yata kayo ba?
Nauna po yung pag-shoot ng pelikula. Ayun na. Parang nauna po ata yun. Opo. Hindi rin kami sure eh.
Pero yun hindi ba naging mahirap para sa inyo na gumawa ng pelikula together? Kasi syempre, di ba, may halong relasyon eh. Medyo may mga conflicts kung meron man.
So una po, nahihirapan ako sa fact na hindi ko pa nakakatrabaho sa kanya. And hindi ko siya alam kung paano siya magtrabaho. Hindi ko kasi siya nakilala bilang gano'n. So doon naman po sa sign na mahirapan ako bilang karelasyon musikal. Feeling ko hindi naman yung ko kasi iba rin yung naging foundation ng relationship namin. And work is definitely separated from our relationship. So hindi naman siya naging hindrance sa amin.
When it comes to actually working with her, a challenge for us is to know if we are actually effective as an on-screen couple, if we actually can portray our roles well. Sobrang anxious ko ng first few shooting days. Lagi kong tinatanong si Direk Jade na,
Is it
okay
working?
ba? Nag-work ba kami?
Yeah.
Hindi namin alam kung
May
nag-work
chemistry
kami.
ba? Ganon.
Yeah. Kasi it's one thing to create chemistry with someone you're not really in a relationship with. Pero kami kasi hindi namin alam kung ano yung chemistry ba namin in real life. Is it actually effective in front of a camera? Or can we actually create chemistry for these characters? So it was a challenge for us and okay naman, it paid off. We got really good feedback from the producers, the director.
Ano mga part na nailang kayo sa isa't isa?
Actually, in general lang to be actually in front of a camera.
Yeah, together, tapos
Pabatuan ng linya kasi hindi namin talaga ginawa yun ever.
yeah, especially scenes wherein we just actually talk. Yung wala masyadong mabigat na eksena, yung usap lang.
Yeah.
Ako, honestly, doon ako nahihirapan kasi we should be different. Hindi dapat as Gabby and Khalil. Ang hirap sumakay sa character ng kilala mo yung tao. Diba? So,
May kissing scenes kayo?
secrets.
So this would be your first screen kiss ever?
Secret. Well, ako, my case, hindi ko first. Meron ako, yung first ko was in a film, Riding in Tandem. Pero abangan nyo na lang kung meron.
Anong name niyo sa movie?
I'm Zach, siya si Sarah.
Ikaw naman, Gab, first screen kiss mo?
Wala pa po akong go signal from GMA. Hindi ko pa po
So hindi
malalaman.
pa, ano?
Hindi ko pa po alam kung
Pero ikaw ba ready ka?
o hindi.
Pero okay sa'yo. Okay lang sa'yo.
Since this is my first film and PPP pa siya, let's see kung pasok na pasok siya sa script. If it's really for the story and for the character, then I'll be willing to.
Yung pag-amin nyo ba would be easier, at saka paggawa to ng pelikula would be easier for you guys na matanggap ng publiko yung sa inyong dalawa despite na magkahiwalay kayo ng network?
We're not asking naman for their approval. It's okay for us naman. I mean, basta kami, we're happy and we're working together. Hindi na kami masyadong nakikinig sa mga ibang tao. So we don't ask for their approval. And this movie is not actually about our relationship or whatever. It's really about the story talaga. It's a story that they should watch out for. Hindi naman yung relasyon namin or whatsoever.
Nahirapan ba kayong, sabi mo medyo habang proseso na
Yes.
pinagdaanan mo bago nagpaalam?
Yes.
Nahirapan ka ba magpaalam sa Jenny?
At first siguro, hindi naman sa nahirapan, pero of course, medyo mahabang proseso dahil hindi sila makadecide if it's the right thing to do for my career path, if it's on the right timing, or is it the proper movie for me, of how they market me. So, ako kasi talagang, I told them wholeheartedly na I wanted to do the movie, not because of Khalil or not because of whoever. I really wanted to do it because of the story and may music eh. And sobrang malapit ako sa music, so may acting na may music pa. It's the perfect film talaga to be the first film ko na I'd star in. So it's the perfect.
Nung natanong naman namin kayo, sabi niyo parang you want to work, di ba? Kayong dalawa sa isang
Open
proyekto,
kayo.
open kayo. Di
We
ba?
were open.
Parang ito yung naging ano.
Yeah, we were open pero
Hindi sa
Hindi nyo
pelikula
alam
sa
kung
music.
paano.
we were open pero personally kami parang at first
Pero kaya ba? Parang,
siguro it's not a priority muna. Siguro kung may opportunity pag-iisipan namin.
kami
Pero
kasi we are very, sa relationship kasi namin, hindi kami nakikialam sa work ng isa't isa. We have our individuality when it comes to our career, so we don't actually meddle with each other.
Yun ang magabi kasi you have an individual careers tapos hindi naman kayo magkalabo. What made you decided to come out?
It's really the story.
I mean, yung relasyon.
The come out? Sorry.
Kasi yung
Di
ibang
ba parang,
mga
Di ba
magkarelasyon.
ikaw merong ginugroom sa yung kalab mo, kaya naman kahit saan pwede. Parang merong mas may weight
Hindi ba
sa'yo.
kayo natakot na parang aminin? Sa
Ano bang,
I guess it's
Siya yung unang umamin eh.
so ito like hindi naman siya super importante sa amin pero kasi I guess it's like nawala yung weight sa shoulder namin na
We have to hide.
we have to hide. Nakaka-pressure din kasi na hindi pwede to, hindi pwede yan. Whereas us being open pero not really, hindi naman kasi kami yung
out na
hello
out.
everyone, this is us, we're
Pag
not
tinanong kami, yes, pero we don't actually share everything. Hindi naman kami yung public relationship talaga. So, hanggang dun lang siguro.
nagulat ba ang network sa'yo?
Or may pag-alam bang nangyari before na umamin? May ganun. Kasi syempre you're different network eh.
Yes. Actually, when it comes to GMA, I'm thankful naman na they respect my own personal life. Yun naman yung maganda sa kanila. And as long as naman I'm focused with my career and my goals and my work, hindi naman siya nagiging problema sa akin. And they support me naman, whichever I want.
Since different network po tayo, may challenge po ba sa inyo para sa promotion po? Kasi parang hindi kayo...
Saan kayo magpo-promote?
Actually, yun ang malaking question pa sa amin hanggang ngayon. Na hanggang ngayon, hindi rin namin alam kung paano po namin gagawin. But we'll
Wala na akong
see.
dadaan dun sa camera.
Hello! Gagano na lang ako bigla sa
Pero di ba okay sa'yo mag-promote sa Itbulaga?
Studio 7.
As long as we get the right permission, I mean, everything and anything for the movie to be able to, promote it well to our target audience, syempre gagawin namin as actors. As long as it's totally fine with everyone, then why not?
How about you, Gab?
Same. As long as GMA approves of it. Pero if not
Na-discuss mo na
naman,
ba ito sa network? Yung possibility na
I think they're talking na.
I think it's more of the
internal,
producers
sila.
ng film.
So,
Meron kasing
whichever.
strategy sila, so let's see na lang.
Kung papayag sila, then I'd be willing. But if not, I'll respect it.
Khalil, how do you find Gab sa pagpapasexy ng social media?
Oh my
Mga
God! Papasexy.
bathing suit niya.
Yeah,
Okay,
lang
approval
sa'yo.
ba yan sa'yo or something? Ano ba?
Well, ako, I guess like you could say na whatever Gab wants, yung image that she wants to portray. It's actually just her being real, and I'm totally for that. I don't think it's mas hindi siya papa-sexy eh. It's actually her just really being comfortable with herself. And that's beautiful for me, for her to be totally free without any restrictions. She would just be herself. I think that's great.
Anong point na tinanggap mo na yung sarili mo na kailangan mag-mature or kailangan naman, di ba, na magpa-sexy ng konti, ganyan, magsuot ng bathing suit na hindi nagtatago.
Ganun ba? Wala, it just popped na lang eh. Parang, and I don't think na may indication na, okay guys, I'm mature, I'm gonna do this. Parang, wala, parang eventually kasi you're just really comfortable. At first, syempre, nangangapa ka pa sa showbiz, nangangapa ka pa kung andun pa yung takot. But now, parang, I got to speak my mind more. I got to express myself more, which is good. So, ayun.
Yung pagiging open nyo sa isa't isa, pinag-usapan nyo ba yan na magpo-post ka, Khalil, ng ano? Ikaw daw yung unang umamin, di ba? So, pinag-usapan nyo ba yan, pinaalam mo?
Yung si Tonight with Boy, di ba?
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Yung nangyari noon. So, syempre,
Diba?
binrief.
Sabi sa'yo, chill lang siya talaga eh. Ako
Pero
yung
pinaalam
medyo-
ba sa'yo? Nagulat ka dun sa
Binrief,
pinost
yeah, tinawagan ko siya. Binrief kasi kami sa, Tonight with Boy ako for Tatak Star Magic, a project that I was doing at Star Magic. I had to promote it there. And then they briefed me nga, nakakausapin ako about Gabby. And then, I called her on the phone, tinanong ko yung possibility kasi alam natin na ang daming aminan dun sa Tonight with Boy. For sure,
Hindi
sabi
ka
ko, for
makakatanggi
sure,
dito, boy.
hindi ako makakatanggi dito, boy. So, she agreed naman na, wag mo nang i-deny kasi
Sobrang nakakatawa naman tayong dalawa kung magde-deny pa tayo.
Kasi
diba?
everyone can see us naman. We go
There's
public.
nothing wrong about it. That time, I wasn't doing anything na with the Love Team. Wala na. And I had GMA released a statement na we're gonna be doing our own, we're gonna be working individual na. So parang wala namang masama. So nung lumabas yun, GMA asked me lang na, okay, so are you okay na with this? Are you open? Sabi ko, okay naman po.
Nakikita niyo yung possibility na isa sa inyo magta-transfer sa net.
Dahil gusto nyo magkasama.
Diba ganon? Pwedeng, di ba, if this love team works,
Unang-una po, ayaw nga po namin maging love team. Parang nag-aano nga po kami, shocks love team ba tayo? Parang ayaw
Bakit kasi nung
namin.
pangalan namin kagabi?
Kagabi.
Oo nga, no?
Kagabi.
Pangit sa huwag na.
Parang,
Kagabi.
parang,
Pangit.
oo parang nakakatawa yun.
so hindi niya naisip yung ganon, na pag-usapan minsan.
Oo, na kunyari, magpo-pursue kami bilang pair. Siguro kung maganda yung storya, tapos may isa pang offer game. Basta sa maganda yung storya. Pero like a love team talaga na may pangalan, and yung certified love team, parang
May hashtag.
pass muna kami dyan.
Anong
Oo.
masasabi nyo doon sa mga ibang mga alam naman nating magsyota na pero hindi umaamin. Pero kayo yung
May
nagpatunay.
pinatatamaan ka?
Wala naman po. Pero di ba may mga ganun, aamin lang sila pagka huwalay na sila. Pero kayo, pinatunayan yung pwede pala. Ano masasabi nyo sa
Kasi
ganun?
parang,
Communication, I guess, is a huge factor. Kailangan parehas kayong comfortable. And I think at the right time, mafe-feel nyo naman. I know there's tremendous pressure on our
Yes,
careers. And the market is... kumbaga yung pag-market ng isang love team, ang laking bagay din.
and yung mga hindi
sa
umaamin,
business.
it's their own decision. Maybe they want to protect their relationship. Maybe they just really
Career.
want to protect their career for themselves. At the same time, enjoy their personal lives. So kami naman kasi, andun kami sa point na